You guys forgive me, we are already loading stuff into the house. So this is gonna be my almost empty apartment tour, other than these dresser drawers and my mattress behind me. This is the front door. Then we've got some floor to ceiling windows that Beckham will love looking out all day long. And then once you go this way, you have the kitchen. I'm really excited to have a nice kitchen again and to have bar stools. I've always had bar stools in my house. I'm probably gonna get velvet ones. So I'm very excited for that. It's just like a radiator closet. And then this is the kitchen.
You have to do, should we take this downstairs?
Well, no, because I just have to go film downstairs first.
Okay, so we'll put it right
Just put it right here, yeah. Sorry, I'm not trying to mess around. I normally don't mess around, but like I just want to film this video. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you guys downstairs, and I might actually put a mirror right there. I think that would be really cool. It'd be like a nice backdrop for photos, but we'll see how it looks. I'm not quite sure. So we go down just 2 small flights. Ooh, a mirror right there. Maybe that's where it'll be. All right, so kind of difficult to show everything, but to the right's the laundry room, there's the bathroom, and then to the left is the bedroom. This closet right here, this is the laundry room. Oh, they left a little dryer sheets, how cute. And the owners even gave me a Bed Bath & Beyond coupon so I can go shopping for like a new trash can and stuff. So that's perfect. We've got dual vanities here. My favorite part too is that the toilet has like its own separate room. I don't know why I like that so much, but I just do. I might even keep that like IKEA over the toilet shelf. They even left me toilet paper. Dude, these owners are so amazing, seriously. Let's take a look at the shower. Wow. Honestly, you could film in here. The lighting's actually not bad. I'm so surprised right now. This is the inside of the shower. Let's see. I'm trying to see the shower head. It's pretty nice. Perfect. And then just a little towel bar. Coming out of the bathroom immediately is this closet. I think it's a closet of, because some of, yeah, okay, so this is just like a radiator closet. Some of the closets have like stuff like this in them. So you could probably store like a couple things, like a vacuum and like a broom in there. That's nice. And then to this side, we've got the bedroom. So I'm very excited about this. It's just like your standard room, obviously. And I don't really love the floors, but it's like no big deal. It'll be fine. So there's 2 closets. This is the first one. So this could be my like accessories closet. How amazing, right? I think I'm gonna make this my accessories closet. It's really nice. It doesn't have a light in it, but maybe we'll add some lighting. Across here is one of those like utility closets that I told you guys about before. Oh, that's actually big though. So you could actually fit stuff inside there. I mean, it's gonna be probably like, I really don't even know, but it's a little creepy. So we're gonna close that. And then this is just a view from like the back wall. So there's a window to this side. I might put my desk there or put like a dresser across this wall. I'm not quite sure, but I'm so excited to decorate. And then there's a window. Since it is like basement level, you can kind of see how it is. So this is the bigger closet of the 2, and this is one that's gonna be for clothes. Like, how amazing is this? It's huge. Wow, I didn't even see over here. Look at that, guys. You kind of can't tell, but like, it's a pretty big closet. Look at that. It's like a really, really nice size. I'll be able to fit like 2 dressers in there, and I'll be able to like display stuff up here. That'll be so nice. So I'm super excited. And then this is how the room looks from the closet view. All right, now I gotta go help them with the moving, so. Now I have everything all moved in. I just did a little Target run with Nick and got some toilet paper, paper towels, some like dishwasher stuff. What else did I get? Oh yeah, some LaCroix water laundry soap, some milk and kombucha. And then I got oatmeal too, so I'm just gonna like stock up the fridge and like start putting stuff away. Nick went home because I don't have internet yet, and he's doing some work, and then, yeah, he might come back. So let's see how much of this we can tackle. I'm like already loving the aesthetic right now. Like, look at that. All my stuff just, like, I'm excited.